Hey there. I have been meaning to reach out to you since last week and just got really busy. We know that you got back your lab work and everything for your GI stuff, and it appears that there's a couple things that are kind of out of whack, but nothing crazy, right? And so then I was thinking, and your mom had texted me something as well, that what if some of your stomach stuff is just anxiety related and it kind of gets wound up and causes some issues. I know you have it some days, even when you're just going to school and stuff, but I've got numerous athletes who have some anxiety, and it comes out in very, very different forms. But we mentioned mental rehearsal just a little bit, and mental rehearsal is literally just projecting exactly what you want to happen during that day or that race. I actually use it for my practice stuff quite a bit. I actually use it when I'm racing. Me and one of my athletes who just got back from France were actually on the phone going through some mental rehearsal stuff a couple days before his race. And so literally it is just as simple as finding a quiet place before you go to sleep is the best time I've found, but it can be almost any time. And then just playing out what that day is going to look like. So when you get up in the morning, what's it going to look like? What are you going to have for breakfast? How are you going to feel? When you have all of your stuff packed, or maybe you already packed it the night before, and you come out and you realize you have a flat tire, but you have a plan to get it taken care of because you're on top of that part. You've set a plan and you've checked everything off. You get to the race, you can't find a parking spot, so you're running just a little bit behind, but you know that you got there early enough so that you can actually then go ahead and get your warm-up in. You get to the start line and all of a sudden you can't get clipped in because there's a rock in your cleat or there's a rock in your pedal, so you just take a couple deep breaths and you clear it. And this is all what you're imagining, right? And so you imagine all these things and then you automatically come up with a solution for it that then works your way through it. So you get to the start line and the start line goes great. You launch out of there, you're in the lead or maybe second or third, and a crash happens in front of you, right? And when that happens, then you either clip out and you wait and you get around it, or you just automatically drive around it and there's just not any big deal. So spend a little time thinking about how that might work for you and then reach out to me. Doing this on the middle of the day on Tuesday, so hoping you have time to watch this evening and then we can chat about it. Take care.